A chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. High. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, north central Richland County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Carolina, or 8 miles south of Springdale, moving east at 5 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lake Carolina, Killian, Blitherwood, Smallwood, and Cedar Creek Fire Station. This includes Interstate 77 between mile markers 22 and 32. The National Weather Service in Columbia